Hello and welcome back to another video. My name is DJ Cat, and today we are back with a video. First of all, I've been away for a long time. I know it's been like 4 or 5 days. That's because I kind of took a break from crypto, settling down because there's been just too many baked beans, forks, and stuff like that. And you guys see me, I made videos a lot, but a lot of those and none of those are kind of dying down. And that's kind of a lesson for me. It's just I'm done playing these type of games. There's just so many forks. So I wanted to make this video specifically to answer a lot of you guys' questions. Am I late? Is baked beans too late to join? And here is my answer, quite frankly. Now, this is the main part, the number that you want to be looking at, right? It is the contract balance right now. Right now it's on 34,000. And if I look back on the first video that I made on baked beans, which was back in almost end of February, it was at 450 BNB in a contract balance. So it has gone up tremendously. And considering that this is an 8%, DApp, it shows something that Baked Beans has that not all the other forks have. And that is a disciplined community. People who are doing 6 days rebake, 1 day claim. That is why we are here, basically, you know what I mean? And it is surprising, you know what I mean, because this is highly unsustainable, guys. Just keep in mind, this contract has been going for 150 days. It can go for another 150 days, but don't think this will last like 2-3 years, unless they will lower it down. But can it go for another 150 days? Yes, I do believe it can. Baked Beans is the original. Forget about all the other forks, honestly, guys. The videos that I made, those are all like just risk plays. Technically, Baked Beans is risk plays, but you know what I mean? If you have money, spare money, risk capital that you want to put in something that's high yield, Baked Beans is the one to go, other than the other ones that basically every day a new fork is released of Baked Beans. So I would say you're not late. No, you're not. And I would say only put in fresh capital as long as you see this contract number, as long as you see this increasing every day, then you are fine. But as once you start seeing this contract balance going down as a trend, stop putting in fresh capital. And that's when you need to stop investing in this and perhaps only, start compounding and stick to the 6-and-1 rule. But my advice is, as soon as you start seeing this contract balance going down as a trend, do not put in fresh capital. You know what I mean? Because this is, very, very high risk. But it has been going on for like almost 160 days right now. And it's been going pretty well, guys. I won't lie. You know what I mean? While other stuff are down, like Drip, this has been giving me very good money. But what money am I making from this? Is literally I would take this money and I would buy Drip with it and I would buy Bitcoin with it, basically. That's my plan, guys. So that's the answer for you. You know what I mean? You're not late, but make sure to not join in once this contract starts going down as a trend. You know what I mean? We have a very disciplined community and I like that. So that's my advice. It's not late. It's never late to join Baked Beans. Well, unless that one condition of the contract balance is going down. But Baked Beans, don't ever take it for granted. Don't go to those forks just because they're early. If you want to play it safe, if you want to play it the safest as possible, just join Baked Beans. You know what I mean? It's lovely. It has the best community out there, and they're expanding their ecosystem, guys. They have their own token. They're planning to do another version 2 of Baked Beans. They're planning to do a lot of stuff. You know what I mean? Baked Beans have started a trend. So the trend is your friend. Stay with it. Baked Beans contract has only been going up. So you might as well ride it while it's going up. You know what I mean? Take advantage of that. Other than that, guys, that'll be the end of this video. I'm back. I will be uploading more frequently. Expect another video after this later after this video. But if you enjoy this type of advice, this type of video, give it a like and subscribe for more if you're new to this channel. Expect drip updates very, very soon. I've been compounding. Oh my God. You guys will be surprised in my next video. Other than that, join our Telegram, link in description, the farmers community. And yeah, I'll leave the link for Baked Beans, a link in the description if you want to join that as well. Other than that, guys, it's been your boy DJ Cat. And I'll see you another one. Bye-bye.